லாஸ்ட் 5 இயர்ஸ்ல நிறைய அப்ஸ் அண்ட் டவுன்ஸ். ஈவன் கோவிட்ல எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன பண்றதுனே தெரியல. ஆக்சுவலா எங்களை விட அவங்களுக்கு சேலஞ்சா இருந்தது. ஆனாலும் அவங்க ரொம்ப பாசிட்டிவா எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டு.
So actually we had a great experience with DIYA for the past 2 years.
Wonderful.
So from A to Z, marketing support as well as all the aspect of marketing, everything.
Wonderful.
So we had a great support. For example, flyer design பண்றதா இருக்கட்டும், அதுல இருந்து ஒரு big event, ஒரு workshop conduct பண்ற வரைக்கும். So full support நமக்கு வந்துட்டு DIYA டீம்ல இருந்து every momentல நம்ம get பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
Wonderful.
For example,
the way DIYA works and our curriculum is very in parallel, because we believe in experiential learning, understanding of concepts rather than just like following a curriculum per se.
Before I was working in one robotics training center itself. Like I was not satisfied the way the outcome where they were providing, and so then I came across DIYA. So when I first went to DIYA and learned about them, like I got to know like how their approach from teaching till the approach till the kids learning is different from other institutes or other activity centers and so on.
Students started thinking they are dreaming bigger now. So I appreciate DIYA for it. Okay, their children are, they are usually, when it was the old curriculum, it is like they will learn and they cannot do anything creative. They make a thing creative, but they cannot do it, and hands-on experience was less. But after DIYA came inside, the children were able to do even not only robotics part. When we say about a solar system, they are thinking how to do it. It was students.
Year on year, we are making some improvements, and we are upgrading the together. I mean to say together, we are upgrading the syllabus according to the, the need. Where the development is going immensely high in the world nowadays. So, and even according to the competitions and all, we are preparing ourselves and we are preparing the students. So that is always there. And yeah, being with DIYA since from 4 years will always give us immense proud.